Welcome to Hospitality Property School. You are listening to Hospitality Property School with your host, Jerry McPherson. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson, and last week I looked at what the perfect hospitality room should include. This week, I'm going to continue with that list. A choice of pillows. We all have our own tastes. Some of us like hard pillows, some like soft pillows. Some like big pillows and others like small pillows. Being able to choose the style that best suits you can turn an all-right sleep into a great sleep. One type of pillow you should not have is those little decorative pillows. Many owners that I've spoken with feel that a nice way to add a splash of color to a room is to display decorative pillows. You can't wash decorative pillows. And those pillows that have been sitting there since the day they were put in the room have been handled by many germ-covered hands, have been thrown around the room, or tossed on the floor. If you do want decorative pillows, get the ones with the washable covers. And please leave those little pillows home. Free parking should be included with the price of the room. Keyless room entry. No more losing keys. It's so frustrating after lugging luggage to my room only to find that the key doesn't work. Door alarm. And I don't mean high ear-piercing alarms, but one loud enough to alert me if someone is trying to get in. Lights you can figure out how to turn on and off. The hardest thing about many hotel rooms I've been in, how to turn on and off the lights. Keep it simple. Soundproof walls and windows. I'm not interested in hearing what my neighbor is watching on TV or the sound of the garbage truck outside. A secure safe with batteries that actually work and don't lose their juice on the first day with my money and camera inside. A humidifier. Many hospitality property rooms are notoriously dry. A humidifier should be mandatory. Smartphones or tablets to call the front desk or concierge, and with a room service menu that doesn't take 20 clicks to navigate. Underlit bed. I have stayed in countless hospitality property rooms over the past couple of decades, and I can't count how many times I've woken up and not had a clue where the bathroom was. A soft light from under the bed would have saved me many a stubbed toe or from accidentally wandering into a closet. Smart sleeping companion. One of your main goals as a hospitality property owner should be that your guests get a great night's sleep. Smart sleeping companions are full of sensors that record everything about your sleep and lets you know all there is to know about your room's temperature, humidity, and air quality. It also has ambient sounds that help you fall asleep faster. Simple to figure out alarm clock. When I'm tired, I don't want to have to disassemble or assemble a clock to try to figure out how it works. Shampooed rugs. You would think this is a no-brainer. I sometimes like to walk barefoot, but I don't like being grossed out at the thought of walking on some of the carpets I've seen. Heated slippers. This is for my wife. She's not a big fan of cold feet. Free non-alcoholic minibar. A very small investment leaves a huge impression. A decent breakfast. If you offer breakfast on your property, make sure it's substantial. I don't have a problem paying a little extra for a good meal. If you don't offer breakfast, work out a deal with a local restaurant and offer your guests a discount. Reasonably priced laundry. You really don't have to charge $10 to wash undergarments. A TV channel list card. So simple, and saves time when I'm trying to find out the score. Binoculars. I feel that most travelers like to know their surroundings, and I like people watching and gazing at the street life from my room's window or balcony. So a good pair of binoculars is a plus. In conclusion, from binoculars to pillows, I don't feel that any of these items are too extreme for most properties, and could go a long way in generating positive reviews and return business. If you have any stories about what the perfect hospitality property room should include and would like to share, or have questions or feedback, leave them in the comment section of the show notes. You can find them at keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com/KHDC084. If you have topic ideas, reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/KeystoneHDC, on Twitter at twitter.com/KeystoneHDC, or by email at info@keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com. As always, let's continue to work together to put heads in your beds. Till next time, have a fun day. This session of Hospitality Property School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any hospitality property tactics and strategies that will help you find the success you have always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.